We may have just stumbled upon the footprint of a Type 2 civilization. In 2015, a group of dedicated citizen scientists, sifting through Kepler data, found something impossible. Tabby star, located in the Cygnus constellation nearly 1,400 light years from Earth. Its behavior wasn't just strange, it was radical. Its brightness would suddenly plummet by a staggering 22%, for days at a time, with absolutely no discernible pattern. You could never predict the next drop, or how long the star would remain in the shadows. Are we looking at an alien megastructure designed to harvest the very power of a sun? Think about this. A planet the size of Jupiter only dims a star by 1%. To block 22% of that light, what kind of titan would it have to be? If it were a planet, it would need to be 13 times more massive than Jupiter. But at that mass, the core pressure would ignite hydrogen fusion. It wouldn't be a planet anymore. It would be a brown dwarf, a failed star, lurking in the dark. However, brown dwarfs emit infrared heat. We scanned the area repeatedly and found nothing. The superplanet theory was dead on arrival. Could it be cosmic dust? Young stars are often shrouded in thick protoplanetary disks. That's where worlds are born. But Tabby's star isn't a nursery. It's a mature, middle-aged star. It shouldn't have a disk like that. And again, dust disks radiate heat. The infrared scans, empty. Possibility number 2, ruled out. Now, science had to go where few dared to tread. In 2016, a new hypothesis emerged. A massive swarm of comets. Theoretically, a colossal train of comets could cause this irregular flickering. But to block 22% of the star's light, you would need hundreds of thousands of them, a mass equivalent to several entire planets. The scale is absurd, completely unrealistic. Worse still, further research revealed that the star wasn't just flickering. It was slowly fading away. In just a century, its brightness dropped by 20%. Even during Kepler's watch, it faded by 3% in just 4 years. No comet swarm in the universe can explain a century-long energy loss. Every natural explanation had been debunked. And as they say, when you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, however outlandish, must be the truth. Astrophysicist Jason Wright proposed a theory that shocked the world: an alien megastructure. A Dyson Sphere, a colossal engineering project built to enclose a star and strip its power, if this structure were incomplete, or a Dyson swarm of unevenly distributed satellites. It would explain those irregular, chaotic dips in light. For the first time, every mystery had an answer. The media exploded. Headlines screamed, "The first evidence of an alien civilization." Even the SETI Institute took it seriously. They aimed the Allen telescope array at Tabby's star for 2 straight weeks, listening for the faint hum of alien radio signals. The result? Silence. But that doesn't close the case. A civilization that can build a Dyson sphere is way past the primitive era of radio waves. What truly challenged the theory was a massive, crowd-funded study. Astronomers worldwide watched the star 24 hours a day for a year. They found a crucial detail. The light was being filtered. Shorter wavelengths were blocked. Longer ones passed through. A solid structure would block all light uniformly. The only thing that behaves this way? Countless tiny particles. Dust. Wait, didn't we rule out dust? Not all dust is the same. This isn't the hot, thick dust of a young star. It is fine, cold, and dispersed. It scatters short wavelengths, but lets the long ones slide by, explaining why our infrared sensors saw nothing. If this dust is slowly accumulating, it explains both the sudden flickering and the long-term fading. But the question remains, where is all this dust coming from? In 2019, a fascinating theory was proposed. Imagine a planet engulfed by its star. Its moons were ripped away, trapped in death orbits, close to the furnace, slowly evaporating into massive trails of cosmic debris. It's a powerful theory, but it has a flaw. Such a violent event should still leave an infrared signature. We're still waiting to see it. Another possibility? The dust isn't around the star at all? It's drifting in the empty space between us. A massive irregular cloud, passing right through our line of sight. That would explain everything. However, we've recently spotted something new. A potential 4-year cycle in the dimming. An interstellar cloud wouldn't have a pattern. The mystery remains. The shadow over Tabby's star has not been lifted. We know dust is the culprit, but where did it come from? How was it born? We simply don't know. But that is the beauty of our universe. The wild ideas we chase are the fuel of scientific discovery, because once you eliminate the impossible, the improbable is the only thing left to believe. What do you think is hiding in the dark of Tabby's star? Is it nature or a civilization watching us back? Tell us what you think in the comments.